Thanks very much for staying with us. Let's get you an exclusive update when it comes to Republic confronting the ISI agent Ghulam Nabi Fire in Khalistani crowd, where the Khalistani supporters who were sponsored by Pakistan were seen protesting outside the White House at the same time when Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived at the White House to meet US President Joe Biden. And this is the same time, the same moment when the Indian diaspora gave a befitting reply to those Pakistani stooges, where Republic TV's senior executive editor Abhishek Kapoor, who was right there reporting right outside the White House, confronted the ISI agent outside the White House. And we'll give you the details of the reports at this point, what had happened when it comes to the FI mission that seems to be on carrying out protests against India, carrying out protests against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And those were the pictures. The report happened right outside the White House when Prime Minister Narendra Modi had arrived to meet President Joe Biden.
Mr. Fai, you are doing this for Pakistan. Mr. Fai, are you doing it on behalf of Pakistan, on behest of Pakistan?
You are an agent of Pakistan.
Mr. Fai, are you doing it for Pakistan? Mr. Fai, are you doing it for Pakistan? Mr. Fai, are you doing it for Pakistan? Mr. Fai, you are doing this for Pakistan. Mr. Fai, are you doing it on behalf of Pakistan, on behest of Pakistan?
You are an agent of Pakistan.
Mr. Fai, are you doing it for Pakistan? Mr. Fai, are you doing it for Pakistan? Mr. Fai, are you doing it for Pakistan? Mr. Fai, you are doing this for Pakistan. Mr. Fai, are you doing it on behalf of Pakistan, on behest of Pakistan?
You are an agent of Pakistan.
Mr. Fai, are you doing it for Pakistan? Mr. Fai, are you doing it for Pakistan? Mr. Fai, are you doing it?
Well, Major General Rajan Kochur is also joining us here on the broadcast. Sir, good morning to you. What do you make of these pictures that are coming across? Because right to protest is there, but when it comes to protesting with a mission to actually defame and malign the name of India, when it comes to spreading falsehoods, this is where Republic had confronted those ISI stooges.
You are absolutely right. It seems Pakistan has run out of ideas. Khalistan is a non-issue. It is like flogging a dead horse. Pakistan seems to be reaching a state of desperation because the kind of bonhomie our Prime Minister is enjoying in the United States with the Vice President and the President, and the kind of statements which are emanating from the United States seems that Pakistan cannot digest these, and these are its actions of desperation because it seems to have run out of ideas, and putting a demonstration of this kind and with the ISI involvement as seen with the presence of an ISI agent also in their midst, it is becoming absolutely clear that Pakistan is now at the end of the road. It has nowhere else to look, nowhere else to go, and it is bringing up these kind of issues which have no relevance. If you look at the situation in India, there is nothing like a demand for a Khalistan or anything of that kind. There is no protest in the country, and it is therefore quite apparent, and to the world, the media also, it would become apparent now that these are the kind of issues this country is resorting to instead of looking inwards and streamlining its own economy and looking after the welfare of its own people who are dying of starvation, poverty, etc. It is indulging in these kind of senseless actions, especially in a country where India holds a very high degree of respect.
Absolutely, Cochin sir, because it also gives a confirmation when it comes to those Khalistani supporters, how they are sponsored by Pakistan and was seen protesting outside the White House at the same time when Prime Minister Narendra Modi was meeting US President. Of course, it cannot be just a coincidence there, sir. It was planned protest. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us here on the broadcast. We continue to get our viewers more updates, and this is exactly how Republic spots and confronts an ISI agent right outside the White House.
Khalistani protesters who stormed into events that were being held to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi by the Indian community. It was almost a storming aimed at disturbing the peace of the events that was taking place. And then we spotted a man in a brown kurta or shirt, and then we realized who he is. He is Ghulam Nabi Fai, the ISI agent who has been working for Pakistan on behalf of ISI and arranging these Khalistani protests. We confronted him, he did not deny. In fact, he made these people confront us, get aggressive with us, and that's when we realized that this is a planned Pakistani protest to try to embarrass India, but that's not the case. This is an organized Pakistani ISI handled protest, because Ghulam Nabi Fai is standing there leading these protests, handling these protests on behalf of Pakistani ISI.